Hi everyone! Today we're making brown butter dark chocolate cookies. This recipe was adapted from the Girl Who Ate Everything blog, which I'll link in the description below. I had changed up some things just due to ingredient limitations. Alright, let's start! These are the ingredients, which I'll split into 4 sections. Section 1, browning the butter. Section 2, putting dry ingredients such as flour, salt, and baking soda into a bowl. Section 3, we're putting in our sugars and wet ingredients into a bowl. And Section 4, adding in the chocolate. We'll start with browning our butter on medium heat. It's best to cut it up into flat pieces so the butter can melt faster. I cut mine into 5 pieces. I'm speeding things up here so you can see how the butter melts. You're going to stir for even heat distribution. Okay, now pay careful attention because after bubbling there will be foaming. And below the foam, you'll see the butter turning brown to amber in color. When you see that, immediately put it in a separate bowl for about 20 to 30 minutes of cooling. So while that's cooling, you're going to grab your other ingredients and preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to chop up my Lindt dark chocolate bar. You shouldn't see this massacre. If you have chocolate chips, you can skip this step. Haha! Section 2 is to get your flour, baking soda, and salt together. Section 3 is to get all your sugars, egg, vanilla extract mixed in with your butter. You don't need to leave the egg out of this. I'm just doing this to make sure I mix the sugar, vanilla, and butter together well first. Now combine both bowls together. We're at section 4 now, which means you gotta add in your chocolate. I like mixing with my hands. Yeah, my hands are clean, man. Yeah, my hands are clean. I'm greasing the tray because I don't have parchment paper. You can drop the cookies in with a cookie scoop, but I'm gonna roll them into 1 to 2 inch balls since I don't have a scoop. I'm putting some salt on top of some of the cookies for the salty and sweet taste. You don't have to do that. Alright, so we're going to put it in the oven. And now, 10 minutes are up. Looks like it's ready. Wow, holy. Time for some milk. Milk. Oh, look at that! Wow, don't these look gorgeous? They're soft and crunchy, yet chewy. The best combo for cookies in my opinion. Woo! I really like how the sweet and bitterness of the dark chocolate is enhanced by the salt we sprinkled on earlier. Also note the next day these cookies can get a bit hard, so just pop them back into the oven to soften them. Try dipping them into your milk and see if you like it. Feel free to like and follow my Instagram and Facebook pages. Like and subscribe if you want similar content. Okay, so that's the end of my video. Cheers, guys!